Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker EDIFIER MS50A on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the first line we have a name. Tap at that line and write the best one for you. Now let's say I wanna add this text. You can also remove some text. The most important is to click Done at the right bottom to save this new name. If you have iOS 26, you will have a checkmark, not Done button. So tap at this button, and if you go back, as you can see that we change a name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!